कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो अभी हम लोग निकल रहे हैं मनीला के लिए। वी आर करेंटली एट मलेशिया इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट एंड हमारी फ़्लाइट है एयर एशिया से। हम लोग जब एयरपोर्ट पहुंचे तो भीड़ बहुत ज़्यादा थी एंड क्यू भी काफ़ी लंबी थी। तो बैगेज टैग्स एंड बोर्डिंग पास हमें रिकमेंड किया गया खुद से निकालने के लिए। तो हम लोगों ने प्रिंट आउट किया उसका और हमारे बैगेज में उसको अच्छे से रैप कर लिया एंड देन वी आर गुड टू गो एंड वी रीच द बोर्डिंग गेट्स। Just a pro tip, come at least 3 to 4 hours earlier if you're new to the airport. It's probably, saving your flight tickets if you miss it in case of any delays. There was a long queue because it's New Year time. So if you're traveling in the New Year time, come 3 to 4 hours earlier. Okay, chalo, see you at the flight. It's Air Asia, so nothing special. But yeah, I'll share how's the food and how's the experience. Small experience probably because we'll be reaching in an hour and we'll be reaching in 3 hours. It's 3 hours 45 minutes probably. That's the time. And when we reach there, we'll be checking into the hotel. Chalo, see you at Manila. The flight costed us 20,000 INR per head and we had the grilled chicken and sandwich in our flight. काफ़ी अच्छा था, टेस्ट वॉज गुड एंड देखते देखते हम लोग मनीला पहुंच चुके थे. वी हैड अमेजिंग व्यू ऑफ द सबअर्बन एरियाज नियर द एयरपोर्ट. एंड हम लोग जब एयरपोर्ट पहुंचे तो वहाँ पे जीपनी देखा हम लोगों ने पहली बार. लंबा सा जीप करके रहता है, उसे जीपनी बोलते हैं. एंड कस्टम्स सारे फॉर्मेलिटीज इमिग्रेशंस वॉज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. एंड देन वी केम टू द रोड्स एंड इट वॉज सो क्लीन, सो नाइस. डाउनटाउन एरिया दिख रहा था रोड से एंड इट वॉज रियली नाइस टू सी देम. एंड उसके बाद हम लोगों ने फिर से बहुत सारे जीपनी देखना स्टार्ट किया. लंबे लंबे रोड एंड बहुत लोग उसे बोर्ड भी कर रहे हैं. सो इट्स प्रिटी पॉपुलर हियर इन मनीला एंड ओवर फिलीपींस एज वेल. एंड वी सॉ फ्यू चाइनीज गेट्स. सो वी डिडंट न्यू दैट देयर आर सो मेनी Chinese people and Chinese hint to Manila. Hello. Welcome to Manila. Last night we were in Malaysia और आज हम लोग आ चुके हैं मनीला में, which is in Philippines, the capital of Philippines. And हम लोग यहाँ पर हैं एक दिन के लिए क्योंकि यहाँ से हम लोग फिर जाएंगे बोराकाई एंड बोराकाई में फिर हम लोग वहाँ पे 3-4 दिन बिताएंगे. सो आज हम लोग अभी के बज रहे हैं 2. तो 2 बजे से लेकर रात तक हम लोग एक्सप्लोर करेंगे मनीला. देखते हैं कैसा रहता है मनीला. फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशंस ठीक था. नॉट लाइक मलेशिया, इट्स नॉट दैट एडवांस लाइक मलेशिया, but it was nice. Few unique things. We saw unique cars, unique bikes, and we are currently staying here at Ramada by Wyndham. We have booked this room for a day, and it's nice. It's really nice here, and I'll just give you a quick room tour. You can see there's the shower. Wow, that's an amazing, nice, spacious bathtub. It's nice. It's really nice. I have a full mirror here. You have tea, coffee, water, kettle. You have free Wi-Fi there. Room. The bed is pretty comfortable. And there are centralized AC which we will be turning off because it's getting pretty cold. And look at the view here. Look at the view. So nice. So this room got a nice view. We are on the 15th floor. We have not opted for breakfast and we'll see if we'll be checking out the gym because we need to cover a lot of places in this time here in Manila. What's this? Oh my god! पेन, पेपर, पेंसिल के लिए अलग से इतना डब्बा बनाया है लोग. अलग ही स्वैग होता है लोग का. 5-star hotels. This is 5-star, 4-star. 4-star hotel and there's swag. So here you have mini fridge as well, which is empty. Gorgeous. This is a small cabinet where you can keep your things. Oh, you can order from here. There is a full menu also. And let's see what's here. Okay, they have bathrobe, They have lock safe. They have slippers, torchlight. They have Manila Central by Wyndham packet for laundry, and that's it. Pretty decent, pretty nice, very good. They are renowned chain of hotels, so that's expected of them. So चलिए और एक चीज़, एयरपोर्ट पे बहुत सारा इश्यूज आपको होगा अगर आप उनके गाइडलाइंस नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं. So recently they have introduced like e-travel, like a digital card like you have for Malaysia. So please उसको पहले ही भर कर रखें. The number of times you come and go from Philippines, that is a mandatory digital entry. They do not check it at the customs, but yeah, that's something which is required. So it's better to be having all those in place. And हाँ, हमारा कैब जो हम लोगों ने बुक किया था, he probably didn't turn up, so we took Grab from the airport. From Terminal 3, it took around close to 700 Filipino pesos. And yeah, we are here. तो चलिए देखते हैं, फ्रेश होके हम लोग निकलते हैं कुछ खाने पीने एंड देन मनीला एक्सप्लोर करने. मिलते हैं मनीला में. So our first objective is to get some money from the ATM because we just have 200 pesos. And once we have the money, we'll go and have something to eat. Or if we find something to eat, we will eat first and then we'll take out the money. Oh, Chinatown यहीं पे है. Wow, what a nice location. It picks hotels really. क्या सही जगह पे लोकेशन पिक किया है, बगल में. You can see there's a Chinatown. Okay, there's the ATM. I'm going to withdraw some cash and we'll get started with our journey here in Manila. So we're done with the ATM withdrawal and now we have to eat. Let's see. Now we'll go and eat. इसमें खाना है? कैफे? अरे बाप रे बाप, नहीं चलो. Hello. Thank you. People are respectful here. That's nice. लग रहा है सब क्रिसमस का डेकोरेशन किया हुआ है. You can see a lot of bike taxis here. They call this tricycle here. हम लोग जैसे बच्चे लोग में ट्राईसाइकिल बोलते हैं. ये लोग इसको, एक बाइक है, बाइक के बगल में जगह लगा दिया, इसको ये लोग ट्राईसाइकिल बोलते हैं. We're here at the Jollibees, one of the popular outlets in Southeast Asia, and we're having burger and fries here, and then we'll leave to visit places in Manila. So there is a little bit of communication gap, which I must say. Not everyone understands English, and you have to be very specific on what you're trying to explain. They charge us $204 crunchy chicken sandwich. So यहाँ पे लोग सैंडविच को, सॉरी, बर्गर को सैंडविच बोलते हैं. So in case you order, don't be confused. It's actually going to be burger. You see, we ordered sandwich, but it is actually a burger. So that's something. the bike tuk-tuk near the Santiago Church, Santiago Fort. So he dropped us behind. He charged us 150 Filipinos pesos, and we're walking down the lane. So here's another church where we'll come back later after we visit Fort Santiago. तो गाड़ी एकदम मना है लगता है यहाँ पे. So here we are finally at the Fort Santiago. It's kind of a entry, na? What is it? So we probably it's kind of a park now, which they've created around. Huh?
Entrance fee.
Entrance fee, ठीक है, देख लेता है. So here we are in the Fort Santiago. Probably the fort is in front, and we have the park here for people to sit, chill, enjoy. You have different types of food, galleria. It's kind of an event, a carnival. People are having fun. Is there a pub? I can see people dancing. Oh yeah, I think yeah, Teatro. Someone is having fun inside. It's pretty nice, quiet and calm place. You can come here too. ऐसे जाओ. घूम के ऐसे जाएगा ना, सीधे चलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. वहाँ बिल्ली भी है, तो काफ़ी शांत है यहाँ पे. I can see a lot of school students here having fun. Lots of teens here having fun. You can see family also. I think so. It's kind of their local leisure time when they come in the evening to just chill. There we have. That's the Fort Santiago entrance gate. That's the Fort Santiago entrance gate. What is this? With all the cans. Nice. Lots of unique things I can see here in Philippines, unlike Malaysia. So Malaysia was all advanced and modern. So it's like this has some cultural touch to it. Manila, burned during the siege of Chinese pirate Ling Fing, reconstructed with local volcanic tuff, adobe. अच्छा, siege में तोड़ दिया गया था Chinese pirates के द्वारा. So they probably have rebuilt this. It was destroyed by Chinese pirates, and probably rebuilt with volcanic stuffs. See, it's kind of everyone taking photos, everyone having fun. देखे तो कौन है ये? I think so. He is Santiago. Santiago, who probably built this. I don't have any names here, but he's probably the one. So we are here at the Raja Suleiman Theatre. This used to be probably the theater of Raja Suleiman. He might have been used to sit here and watch the dance performance, or all the kinds of performances here. Raja, they call it Raja. Raja Suleiman. चले ruins है ना? If you call it ruins, that would be a correct term, because you can see things have broken down here. नेटवर्क का बात उठाया तो बता दूं, नेटवर्क थोड़ा झंड है यहाँ पे.
नेटवर्क यहाँ पे आ रहा है स्मार्ट समथिंग.
हाँ, अगर आप जियो का रिचार्ज करके आते हैं तो
लाइक ठीक है, डेटा तो ठीक ही चल रहा है, बट फ़ोन कॉल में आई थिंक देयर इज सम ब्रेकिंग, बिकॉज उधर आवाज़ अच्छे से नहीं आ रहा था. एंड ये तो शायद हम लोगों को एयरपोर्ट से इशू हो रहा है.
एंड वाईफाई भी होटल हम लोगों ने रमाडा बुक किया है, बट स्टिल दे हैव सम इश्यूज विद द नेटवर्क. सो इफ़ यू कमिंग हियर, डू एक्सपेक्ट सम नेटवर्क इश्यूज, क्योंकि दिक्कत तो होगा आपको. लुक इट हियर, व्हाट इज इट, द वाइट क्रॉस और लॉर्ड सैंटियागोस वाइट क्रॉस. पूरा फोर्ट अपने लिए बना लिया था ये लगता है. ठीक है, इज इट द प्रिजन? Seems like a prison. So I was right. This is probably dungeon of Lord Santiago at the Fort Santiago. Sorry. Probably he used to keep his prisoners here. Dungeons are dangerous. कितना? 600. I think so. They used to torture people here. See how many dead bodies were found here after the war.
यहाँ पे छोड़ेगा तो सबको पेट कर जाएगा.
The dungeons were great. बहुत लोग मर गए होंगे अंदर, वॉर के बाद बंद कर दिया होगा तो काफ़ी लोग मर गए होंगे. हाँ, चलो कहीं बैठते हैं. हाँ हाँ, चलो ऊपर बैठते हैं, थोड़ा हवा खाएंगे. ओके. ओह, हियर आर द जेल. See the jail?
I like the fact that
that's why there's no view. Okay, it's kind of a museum. So they have a museum with all small models of each and everything present here in the park. So from here you can have a view of complete Manila Central and the river as well. And that's the वो पोर्ट एरिया ना उधर पूरा पोर्ट्स दिख रहा है. That's the, I guess, Manila port. I'll see on the map and I'll let you know. That's actually the port. And this is nice. Although उतना हवा नहीं चल रहा है जितना सोच के आए थे, but it's better from downstairs. फोटो खींचे तुम्हारा. So heading out from the Santiago Park. हो गया, पूरा कवर कर लिया हम लोगों ने. बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बहुत सारा हिस्ट्री है. If you come to Manila, you must visit Fort Santiago. It's very nice, good for children, family, everyone. Lots of history, lots and lots of history, and nice. We're heading out. We'll take some pictures and then we'll go to our next stop. Look at the queue, guys. The queue when we came and the queue now. It's all the way from there to there. It's like a evening thing here. So I see a lot of couples here coming up, and we're heading outside. There we met an NGO guy. He thought me and Dipti are Filipino, so he started selling stuffs and started having a conversation. They're going there. See, they're still going there. All right, Don Carlos Fort. So in front of the Fort Santiago, you'll find this amazing church. It's huge. I'm gonna go inside. Let's go. बाहर के फोटो भी चलेगा क्या? So the view looks like from the church gate. So अंदर prayers हो रहे थे, so they didn't let us in. If you're a member of the church, you can probably go offer prayers. And this is the view in front of the church. Everyone having fun. A few things to eat, and yeah, it's nice. If you get a picture here, हाँ मस्त लगेगा. हाँ इसे से खड़ा होके चलो. जा. So this is the church at night time here. It's looking even better at night with the lights on. चलो. On our way to Intramuros, we withdrawed 10,000 Filipinos pesos, which we will be using in Boracay as well, so that we don't have to run after ATM. Although it's not a hassle, just for you guys, it's pretty easy to find an ATM here, but it's a little difficult to find an ATM where you won't get charged any forex fees, which probably my forex provider did mention. Uni money, but yeah, it's fine. You can see the last time church. There's the Christmas tree. It's so nice. I'll probably get a photo. That's going on my Instagram story, and in case you don't follow us on Instagram, you can follow us F3 the brand, no spaces, all branding letters. We share our journey photos, journey reels, and you can always look into us to have a sneak peek on where we are currently. The YouTube videos comes a month, an hour, a month or 2 months late, but the stories get uploaded along with our journey. So follow us on Instagram to have latest updates. And just look at this. This is the back side of the church. It's looking like a Russian area. I've seen that in St. Petersburg. That's a pretty important monument in St. Petersburg, or in Moscow, I think, not St. Petersburg. But yeah, we're on our way to Intramuros, so I'll join you there. Just look at this building. They do have got a little bit of Spanish into it, because Spanish rulers used to rule here, and then I think so came the Chinese who provided them independence. So that's why China is their pretty good ally, and Spanish people, you will find Spanish people here as well. Their names, their way of talking, their way of living does matches a lot what you'll see in Spain. I haven't been to Spain, but that's in the bucket list. Probably someday. Andhera ho gaya pura. See, Spanish style buildings probably. This is the Intramuros area. Intramuros is not specifically just a church, it's the area. Just like in Goa, we had Fontinas. So here in Manila we have Intramuros.
What's your head? What's your head, sir?
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, let's go. Immigration office. So the church we used to see from our window is this one. Minor Balisca National Shrine of San Lorenzo Ruiz. So that's the dome which we used to see up there. They've decorated it very nicely, kind of a Chinese decoration. So this is probably the hotel entrance. There's the lift. You can have, there's the reception, and we have room at 15th floor, and the gym is on the 4th floor. Sorry, no worries.
Button for non-service floor does not light up.
That's the hotel lobby. Photo खिंचा रही है. This is us, and you can see the lobby is good. Hotel is overall good. It's nice. Rooms are also good. It's a little bit on the expensive side. So we are back at our hotel room. Just gonna relax. कि locals यहाँ के बहुत अच्छे हैं. अभी just tuk driver ने हमें छोड़ा. He said 170, but he didn't have change, so he took 150 only. Generally, they don't do this with tourists, but locals are good. Probably the white collar people have a little bit of superiority complex maybe, because their response was not good. Even in the immigration area when we were seeking help from some जो लोग पहने रहते हैं वहाँ पे, may I help you, concierge maybe. So even he was like helping the locals and ignoring us. It's fine. I'm totally happy with how locals behaved here, and they're very friendly people, very nice. Filipinos, I love you. Very nice people. And now we're gonna set the bathtub and we're gonna give rest to our legs, क्योंकि कल सुबह फिर से जाना है. रात में हो सकता है हम लोग चाइना टाउन जाएंगे फिर से खाने पीने, but depends. Abhi we're gonna take some rest because we haven't slept properly since last night, and the bathtub is getting ready. See you. And dinner time पर हम लोग सर्च पे निकले बिनोंदो एरिया में ही, जहाँ पर हमारा होटल था, to have some local food. But unfortunately 9 o'clock in Manila is pretty late for them, so बहुत सारे shops closed थे. So we went to a nearby food festival जो कि काफ़ी अच्छा दिख रहा था दूर से. So we were a little disappointed क्योंकि they didn't have chicken, but hey, it's their food, their festival, so they were serving beef and pork. So if you are interested, you can have there. So eventually we went to Jollibee, had some amazing food, very tasty. Thumbs up to Jollibee. No complaints, and we made our payments. It costed us around 4.5 USD, and हमारी फ्लाइट थी कल बोराके के लिए, तो हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें लेना था, तो हम लोग 7-Eleven गए, वहाँ से बहुत सारी चीज़ें पिक किया. Best thing about 7-Eleven here in Manila, I saw that they were serving fresh drinks as well. सो ये सब चीज़ करके हम लोग सो गए, सुबह उठे, कैब हमारा आ चुका था, वी वर ऑन आवर वे टू द एयरपोर्ट एंड इसी तरह हमारा ट्रिप हुआ कंप्लीट मनीला का। बहुत सारी चीज़ें बकेट लिस्ट में हैं जिसे हम नेक्स्ट विजिट में पूरा करेंगे होपफुली, फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, एंड सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो जब हम रहेंगे बुराके में एंड वहाँ पर अमेजिंग चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं हम। सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिस मत करिएगा और सब्सक्राइब करना भूलिएगा मत। सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो गाइस।